Hello guys, if you guys are well, thank you for joining me again for another video. I am JojoFine01 and you're welcome to my YouTube channel. Thank you to my old and new subscriber. Please, if you're not a subscriber, do hit the subscribe button and join the family, guys. Okay guys, today tutorial, I'm sorry if I'm in a bit of a hurry. Yeah, I'm rushing somewhere, so I just wanted to come and do this intro for you guys. So today's tutorial is just this blue eyes. I don't know what I did though, but it's a yellow eyes with a bit of a twist. Yeah, so I did these blue eyes with a gold around the eyes, so I don't know how to call this video, but I'll give it a name though. Hope you guys like this makeup. It's pretty easy to recreate, guys, so if you want to see how I came up with this look, stay tuned for this video. Guys, I'm going to start with the facial serum. So I'm going to be using my facial serum. Name will be at the description bar, guys. I'll just moisturize my lip using the Vaseline. As usual, I always like doing my face before my brows and the eyes. So we're going to start with the face. Okay guys, for today's tutorial, I'm going to be using a new product that was sent to me. And this is by New Artist Cosmetic. You must have seen this on Instagram. Yeah, so this is by New Artist Cosmetic, and it's like a illuminating drop. I seen this on my Instagram page. I searched it on my hand, so it looks like this. There are three. It's like an illuminator to make your skin glow. So yeah, if you're a dry skin girl, I will not suggest this because it's going to dry you out, except you moisturize really well. I forgot to prime. I forgot to prime my face, so I'm going to be using the Fenty primer and foundation. And the foundation, I use the shade 410 on the Fenty foundation. I'm going to blend using the Rouge Technique brush. Skin is glowing. Oh god, during the summer this will be so nice, like looking like a goddess. So to highlight my face, I'm going to be using the NARS Radiant Creamy Concealer and the Makeup Revolution Concealer, the new Makeup Revolution Concealer. So I'm going to be using this too. I'm mixing the Makeup Revolution with the NARS because the NARS is very light on my face. Sorry guys if I'm sounding too slow. I've not been filming for like 2 weeks, so I'm still trying to get used to things now. I'll blend that with the sponge. Just use the under of the beauty blender. This is a Rouge Technique sponge rather. In place, I bought a new powder that I want to try out. I've been hearing a lot about this powder. This is the Bakerie yellow powder, and it looks yellow just like the sachet. So if you want a comparison video, let me know. So now I'm going to contour using the Maybelline Fit Me foundation in 365. Now I'm going to blend that out using the Rouge Technique over brush. After blending that out, I'm going to set that contouring in place using the CoverGirl Ebony Bronzer. Trying out a new blush, and this is by Zoeva. I've never tried anything from Zoeva, guys, so this is my first time of buying something from Zoeva. So I got their blush. It has a mirror and the blush looks like this, so I'm going to take that. It's a nice cute blush. I like it. What I'm going to do now, I'm going to try out a new spray for my face. I'm going to be trying out the MAC Charge Water. This one right here. I'll leave the name of this one in the description box because they have a lot of charge water. Any like brow product on my brows, I like using my pencil to like outline my brows before filling it in. I'm going to be using the ABH brow pomade for my brows. So you can't get this ABH brow pomade, you can get the Filt'r brow pomade because they actually do the same thing. Technique brush on my foundation, then use that to clean my brows. Using the Urban Decay Primer Potion. With the Bakerie powder. And I'll apply a little bit of that powder underneath my eyes for fallout from the eyeshadow. Eyeshadow palette, I'm going to be using my Subculture palette by Anastasia Beverly Hills. So there, New Waves. Taking the New Waves on the Real Technique powder blue brush. So I'm going to use that as a transition color. I'm going to take the shade, the same brush, smoke out. So I'm just using a circular motion to apply that color around the eyes. So after that, I'm going to take All Star using the same brush. I'll be using one brush, guys. So I'm going to take All Star, which is this color right here. So taking All Star, I'll apply All Star at the outermost corner of the eyes and the innermost corner of the eyes. Eyeshadow, and this is by Beauty Bakerie, and this is their eye cream to go. The shade Sugar Water. It's quite pigmented, guys. I'll just take a little bit of that. Apply this to my lid. From the ABH palette, I'll go back with the shade All Star. I'm going to use that to blend out any harsh line. I'm going to take the shade right here. The shade with a small brush, take the shade. The halo eyes. So around the eyes, I'll apply that good. The Stigma gel liner, I'm going to take that. Apply the liner on my waterline. I'm going to take the Black Canvas Cosmetics E27 brush. I'm going to go back with the shade All Star and Forge on the palette. The shade All Star and Forge. It's a little bit too smoky, so I'm going to put like a touch of gold or black or the blue on the bottom of the eyes. I'm going to take my face powder by NYX. This is the NYX foundation powder, F powder brush. To highlight my face, I'm going to be using the New Artist, the 3D drop from New Artist. I'm going to be using this. Then on top of that, I'm going to use the, what is this called? Makeup Addiction highlighter. This dries really fast. Makeup Addiction. So it's a highlighter that comes like this. The glow is glow, babe. Oh. Then I'll take the eyeshadow brush and use that to blend the harsh line as usual. Some on my inner tear dots of my eyes. MAC mascara. This is sample, guys. But yeah, I'm going to use a MAC mascara. The Huda Beauty lashes. Look at that eye look. How did I come up with that? Like, to be using MAC chestnuts for the very first time. Just go into the hype of buying MAC. But it's about time that we'll try something. This is a beautiful lip liner. Look at that on my lip. Beautiful. For lipstick, I'm going to be using the MUDD lipstick. Let's apply it. Ah, look at that color, man. So I'm going to take the Huda, the lip topper on the set. MAC charged water. Just going to spray my face again. Okay guys, thank you so much for watching this makeup tutorial. I actually like using new products on my face. You don't understand. Like the illuminators are very nice on the skin. These little drops are really nice. They didn't really dry me out like others did. They are very moisturizing on the skin, if that makes any sense, and they give my skin this glow. Like it's like I'm glowing from within. Can you see it? Like, can you see my glow from the camera? Yeah, my glow is glow. So I'll leave this linked at the description bar if you're interested, and also everything I use will be linked at the description bar. I'm not going to give my thoughts on the powder yet, because this is my first time using it and I'm still trying it out. I'm going to be comparing it with the Sacha Buttercup. So let me know what you think at the comment section. I'll still do that video anyway, but let me know at the comment section what you think. If you have the Beauty Bakerie powder. So, I'm just glowing. Guys, I'll see you later. I'll see you on my next video. I got to go. Much love, guys. Bye.